Hey YouTube, thanks for tuning in. This is Josh with 6daycashbuyers.com. Awesome. So today I want to tell you a little bit about what sells a house. Now, obviously there's going to be a whole bunch of different factors, but maybe if we're thinking of a pyramid, what would be the biggest thing that would help you sell your house? And if you don't already know, it is easily the kitchen. The kitchen is like the embodiment of like what everything else comes around, because a lot of times who makes the decisions when buying a home, a lot of times it is going to be the wife, the woman, you know. And so the man will bring the wife, you know, look at the house, and if the kitchen is not there, you know, you can have all these other things, but the kitchen is not there, that is going to be a huge factor that is going to work against you. And so I want to talk about some of the easiest and best ways to really soup up and upgrade that kitchen of yours without breaking the bank. And so a lot of ways you can do that. One of the biggest ones is going to be the countertops, you know, and so there's a lot of cost-effective ways that you can do this now. There's a fake granite, and so that stuff is really good. I mean, there's this like Typhoon ice finish at Home Depot, and it's very affordable. You get these big slabs and throw them on. It looks just like granite. That's going to be a great starting point. And then having nice cabinets, or you know, painting the cabinets that you have, doing just some finishing, making them spruce up, and flooring. You know, it's incredible, these vinyl planks that you can get now that look like wood, and it gives you this like nice rustic modern look. This stuff is all it's nowhere near as expensive as it used to be, so you can have like $1 million looking kitchen and really do it for a way more affordable price. And then as far as having nice lighting, you know, you can find some, like IKEA is a great example of being able to find a couple things that would be more stylish than something you might find at Home Depot or Lowe's and not cost any more. And so the thing is, you can spend a whole bunch of money doing the rest of the house, and you know, but if you don't have that kitchen popping, that's definitely going to be something that you're missing out on. And so the thing is, there are so many different websites, and there's so many different tools and resources out there that can help you. In fact, IKEA's got like a kitchen in a box, which you can do. But I think I've looked at the prices, and I've been able to do it a lot cheaper outside that, but that's going to give you a really stylish kitchen, which is going to look awesome. But so the main important thing is if you're rehabbing your home, or you want to get the highest market value, if that kitchen doesn't pop, and there's competition out there in the market, someone's going to easily overlook your house and go to the next one. But the thing is, you know, when you're looking to get the highest dollar amount, if you want to hit the top of the market, you really need to look and see what else is currently on the market, so you can see what is the competition. Because if you're asking the same price and your kitchen is nowhere near as nice as the other houses that are on the market, then someone's going to pass over your home and choose another one instead. So it's really important that you also base your kitchen on the market, because let's say the neighborhood is run down, maybe it doesn't make sense to put you know, a $20,000 kitchen in a $50,000 house, because that's not going to help you drive up the price if no one wants to live there in that particular area. So all important things to keep in mind. Hope that helps. And if you are interested in selling your house, give us a call. We got the number below. We give you a cash offer in 6 days or less. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.